Hello, this is Juan with King Credit, giving result in the first 30 days. Look at this, 198 point went up, 198 point. Stop playing, man. Deal with the bats. This is what we do. 198 point went up, unhurt credit. But I'm gonna go over here. Look at this. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna just change the date. I'm gonna go credit report, and then I'm gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna go February. Let's go over here back 1 second. I'm gonna go February 7. February 7. 1 second. It's uploading. Look at this. 534 credit score. February 7, 2020. Look at this. February 19, 2020. Come on, man. Stop playing, man. Stop dealing with the wrong company, man. King Credit Repair will give you a result in the first 30 days. Fix your credit, man. Change your life. This is what we do. Give us a call at 321-438-3028. That's my cell phone. Office 585-589-8111, extension 0. My cell phone 321-438-3028. You get what you pay for.